Okay, so I'm going to explain how to draw a regular pentagon. So regular means all sides same length. And pentagon is 5-sided. And I'm going to be just using the compass and the straight edge or the ruler. And I didn't know how to do this myself, so I looked on this website, mathstackexchange.com, and I'm going to try to follow the explanation here to explain how to do it. So what I've done is I've drawn a line segment first with the points A and B, and this is set to the distance of my compass. And so that's going to be the radius of all the circles I draw. So AB equals the radius of every circle I draw, or R. Okay, so I'm going to draw one circle centered at A. Okay, sorry, just kind of a cheap compass, not the world's best, but we'll give it a go. One circle centered at B. Okay, so we can kind of fill it in. And so this is AB, right? It's a radius, and this is going to be the first side of my pentagon, okay? So all the other sides have to be that length. So where the circles intersect, I'm going to draw another circle there. Okay, and I'm not moving. Okay, I wasn't supposed to be moving the compass, so it should be drawing circles with all the same radius. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a perpendicular line to AB, just through those 2 points, and I'm going to call this point, or I'm just going to label this point at the top of the circle where it intersects that perpendicular line, and also label these 2 intersecting points. And so what I can do is draw a line through those 2 points to where it intersects the first 2 circles I drew. And that is going to be the next 2 sides of my pentagon. And those also have a length of R, okay? Because the definition of the radius of what a circle is the radius is basically any point on the outer edge of the circle to the center. So those are all the radius. So they're all equal in length, no matter where you are, as long as you're from a center to an edge of the circle. So I know that these sides of my pentagon are all the same. And then to get the top of my pentagon, I don't change the radius of my compass. I'm just drawing 2 more circles. Where those intersect, that's the top point of my pentagon, right? And that's also a radius of these circles that are all the same size. So I know that my pentagon has 5 equal sides, so it is a regular pentagon. I guess what I was having trouble with in the explanation that I still can't quite explain is, why does drawing these lines get me at the exact right points? I'd have to think about that a lot more, look that up for a further explanation, but at least it works. So that's what I wanted to show you today.